Hi everyone! Today we're showing how to send WhatsApp messages directly through HubSpot workflows using Eazybe. First, head over to Automations tab in HubSpot and click on Workflows. From here, you can create a new workflow. Once the workflow is created, you need to add a trigger. Think about what should start this workflow. For example, maybe you want to send a WhatsApp message when a contact moves to a specific life cycle stage or the deal hits a certain pipeline stage. Just set up your conditions, save them, and you're good to go. Now, here where Eazybe comes in. Click the plus button to add an action and scroll down until you see the WhatsApp message under the Eazybe integration. This part is super important. Customize your WhatsApp message. First, pick the WhatsApp number connected to your Eazybe workspace. Then select the contact's phone field. This could be their mobile number or phone number field in HubSpot. You can also personalize a message using tokens like their first name. And now you have a fully automated WhatsApp workflow ready to go. Give it a try and you'll see how much time it saves while keeping your communication seamless.